I'm in Aurora, Oregon, and I used to love parking here, but look at this, garbage absolutely everywhere. Absolutely disgusting. I think I'll be finding somewhere else to shut down. Look at this. This is why truck drivers get bad names. And there's garbage bins right there. And it just goes on and on. Absolutely disgusting. I should move that though, because somebody will probably think it was me. Dirty. Oh, dog shit too. Thanks a lot for spoiling it for all the inhumane human beings that are truck drivers. But just remember people, it's not all truck drivers. Unfortunately, it just seems like it's the majority now.